Father's Day is just around the corner, and Harbor Freight has quite a few ideas under 20 bucks. Today I'm going through some of the items that caught my eye. Some are tools, some are organizers, and a few things I own and have no problems with if I was getting them or giving them as a gift. First item is the U.S. General Mini Toolbox. I'm sure you've seen these at various stores. They are very popular. They're very handy to put your specific items in, nuts, bolts, screwdrivers, pliers. You can have a little box for multiple things. They're really, really handy. And this is probably Harbor Freight's hottest item under $20 is this U.S. General Mini Toolbox. Number 2 is the Voyager 19-inch tool tote. This is 14 pockets. It's an open top design. Easy access to your tools for homeowners and do-it-yourselfers. I actually prefer a tote over a traditional toolbox because you can see everything at a glance. So I use these and I use bucket toppers, both. The third item is a 6-piece plier set. The Pittsburgh 6-piece pliers gives you a lot of capability for $15. Needle nose, slip joint, cutters, and more. Whether you're working on vehicles, lawnmowers, or projects around the house, you'll probably use one of these regularly. Then we have Bauer's Carpenter's Pouch. I call it a tool belt, but they have various ones for various activities. I like this one if you spend time building decks, hanging drywall, installing trim, or doing general construction with a carpenter's pouch. You save a lot of trips going back and forth or bending over to pick up your tools all the time. Having the fasteners and tools right at your side makes the job go much faster. Then there's the Syntec 50-foot fish tape. This isn't a tool everyone needs every day, but when you need one, you need one. Nothing else really substitutes for it, like running a speaker wire or running a camera wiring or running an electrical. You're going to move a socket from one side of the wall to the other, or you're hanging the TV and you need to run the power up behind it. These things are invaluable. At $9.99, it is the perfect gift. Next is the Bauer 4-volt cordless screwdriver. I actually have this one, and I'm going to do another video on it eventually, but I am very happy with it. My first one, my daughter actually kept it when I went to visit her. This thing runs as looks like a gun, so it trigger gun, and or it straightens out like a traditional screwdriver. So either way, it is a wonderful tool. For $19.99, your dad will love it. Next, it's another tool belt or electrician's pouch, as they're calling it here. It's another organization item. Bauer's electrician's pouch is easily for electrical work, low voltage wiring, networking projects, and service work. Plenty of pockets and easy access for all your tools that you're doing for that particular job. And it doesn't have to be just for electrical work. It's whatever you use it for. The next one is Braun's 400 lumen rechargeable pen light for $19.99. The Braun rechargeable pen light is probably one of the most useful items here, whether you're under a dashboard, behind an appliance, in the attic, or checking on your garden equipment. You can never have too much light. The last item in this round is the Doyle dual range voltage tester, coming in at $12.99. This is, as I said, a dual range voltage tester. If you're changing outlets, replacing switches, or troubleshooting electrical problems, this tool can help verify whether a circuit is energized before you start working. Any of these 10 tools would be great gifts or great for yourself. So I do highly recommend them, and they're all under $25. What can be better? So in closing, there you have it. 10 Harbor Freight gift ideas under $20. I said 25. I think one of them's over 20. Which one would you buy? Let me know in the comments. If I've missed a favorite Harbor Freight bargain, tell us about it below.